Hola, Senor Jordan here. In this video, we're going to talk about changing AR verbs into the conditional. The conditional is a tense or mood used to talk about things that would happen. Some examples are
hablaría, llevarían, buscarías.
to form the conditional of AR verbs, we'll take the verb, leave everything including the R on the end, and add the following endings. Notice that the R is there in the boxes to remind us that we'll leave the R on the end of the verb plus add the additional letters. The conditional looks similar to the imperfect, except we have the RIA ending instead of the IA ending. Now let's see how the verb
Hablar,
will change to say different people would talk or speak.
hablaría, hablarías, hablaría, hablaríamos, hablaríais, hablarían.
Now let's see how the verb
Estar,
will change to say different people would be.
estaría, estarías, estaría, estaríamos, estaríais, estarían.
Now let's see how the verb
Acostarse,
will change to say different people would go to bed.
me acostaría, te acostarías, se acostaría, nos acostaríamos, os acostaríais, se acostarían.
Notice the reflexive pronouns change into the different forms and go before the changed verb form. To review, AR verbs will have the following endings in the conditional. This will work with all AR verbs. Now, here are some common AR verbs that we can use with the formula in this video.
Acostarse, bailar, buscar, caminar, comprar, despertarse, escuchar, estar, hablar, llegar, mirar, necesitar, olvidar, quedarse, trabajar.
And here are some of those verbs and sentences in the conditional. Something you'll notice is that many of these have if clauses with the word
Sí,
and then the past subjunctive to say if something were to happen or were to be true.
Yo olvidaría ese error si pudiera. Ella bailaría en la competencia si no estuviera enferma. ¿Caminarías al trabajo si no estuviera lloviendo? Buscaríamos las llaves por toda la casa. Ellos necesitarían abrigos gruesos si vivieran allí. ¿Viajarían más si pudieran? Llegaríamos a tiempo si no fuera por tanto tráfico. Mateo estaría feliz si no estuviera tan ocupado. Si ganaras la lotería, ¿comprarías una casa en la playa? Si no fuera por el gallo afuera, no me despertaría.
I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others who could benefit. Also, as an extra challenge, try to write a sentence in the comments section in the conditional with an AR verb. Thanks for watching. Gracias.